Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 2018 Copo Camaro SS, number 3 out of 10 from Hot Wheels drag strip, and number 106 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Copo Camaro SS. We've seen this casting a bunch of times already by now. It's been a lot for a bunch of times already. Mainly in that orange color, that matte orange color that we've gotten like a bunch of times previously, including in Car Culture's Boulevard. But yeah, today we are gonna review this version in white with some amazing decals, cool livery. So this is basically from the E and F case of 2023. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the car itself. So here it is, the Copo Camaro SS in this metallic white. As you can see, it has the 5-spoke rims, and then it says Copo right here. It has some like lightning type of decal or design on the side, and then you have some red stripes right there. Oh yeah, that lightning like stripe is in black. And then you have that tiny Hot Wheels logo right there. Don't know if you can see it or not. Moving under the front, you have no headlights. You have some kind of grille detailing right there as well. But yeah, no headlights or logo or anything. So for the hood, you have this sort of like continuation of that like theme right there. The like thunder whatsoever you call that on the hood. Then you have some more red stripes right there, hood scoop on the hood basically, some more black stripes on the hood, and then there's the interior in red as you can see. Overall very cool and very nice. Moving into the back, you have the you have no rear lights, but you have this, so it's meant for you to like use it as drag, I guess. So it's like it's meant to be like extra tires when you want to do a drag race, you know, in case if it pops out, you know. So 2018 Copo Camaro, made in Malaysia, 2018 Mattel. Yeah, 2018 Mattel. I have a feeling not many people will buy this version or this casting, I believe, because yeah, Copo Camaros, they're not very that rare. They are quite easily to find, which yeah, not many people would buy it, but still Mattel is still willing to do it, but and not change any schedule or whatsoever. Like, who knows, maybe they could actually change it, who knows. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the 2018 Camaro, Copo Camaro. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.